Hey, this is Silas with Simplero, and today I'm going to show you the fastest way you can sell your digital product online. Simplero is the number one all-in-one software for content and course creators. Let's go. I'm going to click on this product wizard here at the top, and I'm going to do a digital download. I have a bunch of choices here, but we're going to do a digital download today. Hit continue. I'm going to call it Hiking Guide. Guide to the Woods. Hiking Guide. Let's grab a file real quick. You can upload it or go through stock photos. We have access in Simplero to stock photos. And let's go with this guy right here. Looking good, looking good. Listing status, if you want to use our catalog, you can list it in our catalog or leave it unlisted. It truly won't matter. We're just looking for the link to the product. If I go ahead and hit continue, boom, I'm done. Under a minute and a half, my hiking guide's ready to go. All I have to do is add the PDF file, and I can upload that from my computer. There's my hiking guide. Get it going. There she is. Add that bad boy, and we're done. The last step is just grabbing that order form. I can copy it to the clipboard, and then I can also take a look at it and make sure that it's as beautiful as I would hope it would be. Everything checks out. Hiking guide ready to go. 99 bucks. I'm sharing it tomorrow, today, in my DMs, in my link in bio, in my emails, anywhere I want to sell this digital guide. There's no faster way. Come hang out with us at simplero.com.